Why are the Chinese almost begging everyone to drink olive oil? If you drink olive oil for 7 days, see what happens to your body. Watch to the end and prepare to receive an incredible gift. I'm going to teach you the secret recipe of the centenarians of Icaria, a Greek island known for its inhabitants living for over 100 years in good health. It's a simple, natural home remedy that many people over the age of 100 use. On the first day, you'll take a step or avoid problems. Olive oil is rich in antioxidants, which have the power to fight inflammation in our bodies, such as arthritis, sinusitis, asthma, among others. On the second day, the antioxidants in olive oil act as an active defense against disease. They neutralize free radicals, strengthening your defenses and contributing to resistance against various adverse conditions. On the third day, we highlighted olive oil's ability to reduce inflammation, providing physical and internal well-being, a serious approach to improving your quality of life. On the fourth day, by adopting olive oil, you will experience effective cholesterol control, thus strengthening the cardiovascular system, a solid measure to promote a healthier heart. On the fifth day, olive oil brings aesthetic improvements, deeply nourishing the skin and promoting a healthy appearance. On the sixth day, olive oil acts as an internal purifying agent, stimulating cell renewal and performing a deep cleanse. Finally, on the seventh day, the inclusion of olive oil directly strengthens the immune system. This strengthens the body's ability to recognize and fight pathogens. And now I'm going to give you the secret recipe of the centenarians. In a container, add a crushed and chopped clove of garlic. Now, add a teaspoon of extra virgin olive oil, then a teaspoon of turmeric, some ground black pepper, and finish with a drizzle of honey. Now, just mix well. This natural remedy can help reduce inflammation in the body and lower cholesterol and blood pressure. It is an immune system booster with antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties. I don't know what your health situation is today, but I can guarantee that with this homemade recipe, your body will be very healthy and strong to face any problem. This recipe should preferably be used at lunchtime. You put this recipe in the middle of your plate and then add your food as normal. Just mix and enjoy. And here's another gift for you. Another simple natural remedy using olive oil and lemon. This one is for you to use as soon as you wake up. Simply fill a tablespoon with olive oil and then add the lemon juice. Preferably drink a glass of room temperature water straight afterwards. It's a simple tip, but very effective for your health. It's worth a try. If you've come this far and liked this information, you already know what to do. Until the next video, God bless you.